Hey, third graders. It's Miss Davenport. Today we are going to talk about prepositional phrases. I spy with prepositional phrases. A prepositional phrase begins with a preposition. The preposition comes before a noun or pronoun and connects it to other ideas in the sentence. The hairy spider created a web under the wooden picnic bench. Notice that under the word that's bold and underlined is our preposition. However, under the wooden picnic bench, the part of the sentence that's underlined is the prepositional phrase. I spy something under the desk. Under the desk is the prepositional phrase, while under is our preposition. I spy something above the whiteboard. Above the whiteboard is our prepositional phrase. I spy something on top of the cabinet. On top of the cabinet is our prepositional phrase. I spy something in your desk. Now remember, in is the preposition. That's the word, that's the preposition. But in your desk is the prepositional phrase, and that's what we're talking about today. I spy something in front of the door. In front of the door is the prepositional phrase.